See, look at these little paw prints. Get me outside in the dang on 3 o'clock in the morning. Almost. It's crazy. They still don't got that new up north smell. Look, you can see little paw prints. This is the most I ever seen it snow in Tallahassee. In Florida, since I've been in Florida. Majority of all my life. The people gotta be really, really careful riding. And they never experienced snow. That's crazy. It's pretty. Nature pretty. The crazy part, when it snows, it's not as cold as it is when it's not snow. Remember this day. I wonder how long it's gonna last. Ain't nobody riding the street. Oh yeah, you gotta be careful because you could slide. This is crazy. Remind me of Gremlins. Expect they had that smell. They don't got that up north smell. When I was little, I put my feet in the snow and it went all the way down. I got that. And I'm trying to walk out here with flip-flops over there. So I turn my head right back on. I think I remember the snow when I was a kid, when I was like, look all over there. I was a little girl. Ball game. This ain't never been like this. In my, 32 years of being here? And my other, 17 years of being in Jacksonville. It snowed one time in Jacksonville, but it was like, it didn't last. It hit the ground. And that was it. Somebody looked at him sexy. I don't know how long it's gonna last. It's beautiful. I'm gonna enjoy it. Oh, there's a little puddle. Come back outside and put some. The crazy part, my legs ain't cold. It's crazy how the main thing get cold is your feet and your hands. But my legs not cold. My face a little breezy. Look right here. Kids got to be real careful. They can really, really hurt themselves, especially Florida kids that don't know about snow. Oh, yeah, you could slip and hurt yourself really, really bad. I tell my son, be careful. Enjoyed my little time at the door. I'm going to come back later. Warm up a little bit more.